welcome to Property Reviews by IndiaProperty.com. Today we are going to explore Casa Fortuna by Pranav Constructions, which offers you comfortable homes at affordable prices. The project offers 1 and 2 BHK apartments ranging from 540 to 880 square feet. The project is located in Thoraipakkam. It is just 600 meters off OMR Road. The project is 5 kilometers from the Velachery railway station. Chennai International Airport is 13 kilometers away and Chennai railway station is 20 kilometers from this project. Schools, colleges, hospitals, banks, ATMs, hypermarkets and supermarkets are all easily accessible from this project. To name a few educational institutions, APL Global School, RMT International School and DB Jain Engineering College are very close. To name a few healthcare facilities, Apollo Hospital and Kamakshi Hospital are very near. I'm entering the 2 BHK apartment of Casa Fortuna. This apartment is sized at 880 square feet. I'm in the living room. The living and dining is separate. Now the living room is sized at 12.4.5 by 10 feet. Now these windows provide the ventilation for this room. Now this place is really bright and windy. There is open plot all over this project, so it's really cool over here. Now I'm entering the dining room. Now this dining room is sized at 9.3 by 9 feet. A small wash area has been provided and these windows provide the light and ventilation, but it overlooks the neighboring house. Now I'm going to check out the kitchen. This is the kitchen sized at 7 by 9.3 feet. This kitchen comes with a granite countertop and a stainless steel sink. Not enough moving space and not enough workspace either. Provision for storage is fair enough, even a loft is provided. The windows here provide the ventilation and this kitchen is really bright, so you don't really need to have the lights on. And a utility area is provided right outside.
Let's see how the other rooms are.
I'm entering the first bedroom, the master bedroom of this 2 BHK. This room is sized at 15.10.5 by 9.7 feet. Now this room is really breezy. These windows provide a lot of ventilation for this room. And huge built-in shelves have been provided and a loft also. This room comes with an attached bathroom and a king-size cot can comfortably fit in this room.
Let's check out the second bedroom.
I'm entering the second bedroom of this 2 BHK. This room is sized at 11.6 by 9.7.5 feet. Now this room does not have a bathroom. A common bathroom is provided right outside this room. Built-in shelves and a loft has been provided for storage. Now this room comes with a window. Now both the rooms overlook the Pallikarnai marshland. So that's why this entire house is really cool and windy. A queen-size cot can comfortably fit in this room. The internal walls are finished with 2 coats of putty, 1 coat of primer and 2 coats of tractor emulsion paint. To talk about the flooring, the living, the dining, the bedrooms and the kitchen are fit with vitrified tiles. The bathrooms are fit with anti-skid tiles on the floor and glazed dado tiles on the wall up to 7 feet. And in the kitchen, it's glazed dado tiles on the wall up to 3 feet. Furnishing is generally not provided by the builders, but it can be done based on request, which adds an additional cost. Casa Fortuna offers 24 hours water supply, covered car park which is payable and a 3-phase connection. Casa Fortuna is priced at 5,000 per square feet. The other projects around this area are Northeast and Alta. Hope this review has given you a clear insight into Casa Fortuna. For more details, visit www.indiaproperty.com. Whether looking for residence, farmhouse, land, commercial space, investment property or a retirement community, India Property has it all.